Welcome, here I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to focus on photo settings category. Here at the first place we have picture size. Now we are on back camera so we can change the rear camera size, and when we tap on it we can decide between two aspect ratios, so 4:3 and 16:9, connected with different quality in megapixels. By just tapping on them we can easily manage this, and of course I suggest you to keep it on the best possible option, which is 8 megapixels to 4:3 and 6 megapixels to 16:9. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.